Hey everybody. So I'm doing my review of the teeth. From my experience, they're amazing. I love them. I do absolutely love them. A few tips and tricks I will give is if you have too much of this thermoplastic right here at the two front teeth where my middle finger is, and if you like fold it up under your actual teeth, you're going to get a lot of lisp. And so what I try to do is I anchored on the sides. And as soon as and I'm not gonna lie, I've molded these things probably like 30 times before I got them to fit comfortably and to not have a lisp. There was a couple times where the mold was too tight and it has too much tension on my teeth, and I would try a mold and then I'd try them a couple times and I'd get frustrated and I'd go back and try it a few hours later. You might have the same problem. But once you get them right, they are worth it. And I got two chipped teeth and a cavity right here in the front, and it sucks. This has been a lifesaver. And it's super easy to throw them in. Pop them on just like that. And they're not going nowhere. And the natural shade matches my natural shade of my teeth. So, and there's still just a tiny bit of a lisp, but I haven't worn them all day every day to try to get used to them. But I am going to start doing that. But as you can see, they look damn good. But yeah, that's the tips and the trick. The one thing I noticed was if you have too much of that thermoplastic right here in the front of your teeth behind, and it's touching your top of your palate, you're going to get a lisp. So if you could try to anchor more on the sides, I think that's going to help you a lot. But I love them. They're super comfortable. Like right now, I can't even tell they're in. There was a couple of them that were just too tight and they hurt my gums or my teeth, but these are perfect. Yeah. I'd love to get the bright whites and try them, but I'm afraid when I'm talking, they're just not going to match. But they look damn good. And do it like that. But I love them. They're just beautiful. Gives me my confidence back. Very happy. Sorry about the drool. But yeah, that's what the mold looks like. No thermoplastic at the front two teeth. And it's just like a couple little anchor points right here on the left and the right. I love them. Pop them in like that. Ta-da! Nice new teeth. I did see the lady that did the denture. That seems like too much. If you get a good, mold, and yeah, you don't need all that denture stuff. But these are beautiful. I love them. Very happy. I'm gonna try to get the bright white ones just because I want a nice bright white smile. But whatever. But yeah, I hope this video helps.